Acquiring clients for your marketing agency can be a demanding task. With most of the businesses having an online presence, it is an even more difficult task. Marketing methods have changed drastically over the last decade. Today, both online and offline businesses are trying to explore digital channels as much as they can. So naturally, there is a lot of competition in digital marketing and sales. So in this competitive world, what is required is knowing your client. To find potential clients of your digital marketing agency, you need to dig more information about your client base, who they are and what their requirements are. After analyzing client profiles, you can now start targeting them based on the business types, geographical location, and interest. Start thinking like a client. Develop the awareness to know what the client would think about your digital marketing agency. Find the loopholes and try to fix them and take decisions. The second important thing in client acquisition is lead generation. Irrespective of the changes in digital marketing space, your main aim will always be to generate more traffic on your website and social media to attract more clients and improve conversion rate. If you're new in the business and don't have any clients, getting your first few clients will always require you to go on the fresh hunt for potential leads. You will need to do everything from scratch to get the fresh leads in your sales pipeline. The first step for lead generation is creating buyer personas depending on customer demographics and behavioral patterns. What do you imagine about your target clients to be like? Find your niche by specifying the type of market you want to sell your services to. And this should also reflect on your website and social media in order to attract more people from the same niche. You can use online directories like Yellow Pages or Yelp to find clients for your digital marketing agency, or find them on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Your best tool for lead generation for digital marketing would be social media. Build social networks on various social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and promote your digital marketing services. Create a sales funnel. Sales funnel is a concept that maps out the path that clients have to go through on entire journey of purchasing your products or services. This helps in determining the weak points in your strategy. There are 4 important stages in your sales funnel. The very first one is awareness. This is when your prospects visit your website for the first time. The second is interest. The client develops an interest in your business. The third one is decision. The clients decide if they want to invest in your solution or services. And the fourth one is action. This is the last stage of the sales funnel when the prospect converts into the client and finalize the deal with your business.